Article 14, aggravating circumstances. 1. The advantage be taken by the offender to his public position. 2. That the crime be committed contempt or with insult to public authorities. 3. That the act be committed with insult or in disregard of the respect due to the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that is being committed in the dwelling of the offended party, if the latter has not given provocation. 4. That the act be committed with abuse of confidence or obvious ungratefulness. 5. That the crime be committed in the place of the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties, or in a place dedicated to religious worship. 6. That the crime be committed in the nighttime or in an inhabited place, or by a band, whenever such circumstances may facilitate the commission of the offense. 7. That the crime be committed on the occasion of conflagration, shipwreck, earthquake, epidemic, or other calamity or misfortune. 8. That the crime be committed with the aid of armed men or persons who afford impunity. 9. That the accused is a recidivist. A recidivist is one who at the time of his trial for one crime shall have been previously convicted by final judgment of another crime embraced in the same title of this code. 10. That the offender has been previously punished of an offense to which the law attaches an equal or greater penalty, or for 2 or more crimes to which attaches a lighter penalty. 11. That the crime be committed in consideration of a prize, reward, or promise. 12. That the crime be committed by the means of inauguration, fire, poison, explosion, stranding of a vessel, or international damage thereto, the derailment of a locomotive, or by the use of any other artifice involving great waste and ruin. 13. That the act be committed with evident premeditation. 14. That the craft, fraud, or disguise be employed. 15. The advantage be taken of the superior strength or means of being employed to weaken the defense. 16. That the act be committed with treachery or alevosía. There is treachery when the offender committed any of the crimes against person, employing means, method, or forms in the execution of thereof which tend directly and specially to ensure its execution without risk to himself arising from any defense which the offended party might make. 17. That means be employed or circumstances brought about which add ignominy in the natural effects of the act. 18. That the crime being committed after an unlawful entry. There is unlawful entry when the entrance of the crime is room, floor, roof, wall, door, or window be broken. 20. That the crime be committed with the aid of persons under 15 years of age or by means of motor vehicles, motorized watercraft, airships, or other similar means. 21. That the wrong done in the commission of the crime be deliberately augmented by causing other wrong not necessary for its commission.